I want to help my best friend hold my wife's feet for 30 years. Change to fresh pastoral style. We need to clear out her bedroom before the makeover. We bought dozens of large boxes. Seal the bottom of the box. Looks like it's going to be a big day today. This closet has everything. You think this is a historical record. In fact, it contains private money. Oh my god, why is there no gap in his bookshelf? It's all stuffed with stuff. At this time, so I naively sort things into categories. In the box, I want to come back and place it according to the classification, but I've got a dozen boxes here. Why does it feel like there is no progress? I feel like a grudge now, and now there are no more boxes in his living room. Fortunately, he has a vacant room on the second floor of his building. Decisively rented him and put the sundries. Now I can finally focus on cleaning up again. Opening its cabinet is like opening a blind box. You never know what's behind the book. I've packed out thousands of rolls of handbook tape. Thousands of books and books that have not been separated. There are also various pens. Visually, there are not hundreds, but thousands. Let your girlfriend invite someone else. Otherwise, we can't finish packing today. Come, help! Hurry up, hurry up. This sister has really good eyes. Seeing that the atmosphere in this room is not right, I still want to run. Do you think I haven't tried it? Let's work together. Sister, who said 3 women play 1 play? You see, this sister will automatically quit in a while. It turned out that he drank water. It was blocked by the box outside and couldn't get in. The box is not enough for woven bags to make up. Now I'm too tired to classify. Put everything on your girlfriend's computer desk. These things are relatively small. Gotta do a few things to show him. Rand's small cabinet. Finally, pack your best friend's bed. Let your girlfriend find a moving company. Come and help move dozens of large boxes down. The mover said, this box is about 200 or 300 caddies. Today his workload has to be measured by the ton. Finally, move your girlfriend's bed away. The bedroom where I lived for 30 years. In comparison, these large cabinets are much easier to move, but it's only the beginning. It took 2 days. Finally cleaned up.